Hello everyone, in today's question we have to find the mechanism of this reaction. So this is a mechanism. Now we will find out the rate of the reaction. So rate of reaction R is equal to K2 into concentration of the A star. Now we will apply the steady state approximation in order to find out the concentration of A star. So the dA star divided by dt is equal to 0 is equal to rate of formation of the A star minus decomposition of the A star. So the first step is formation of the A star. So its rate can be written as K1 into concentration of A square. Here 2 is obtained because two reactant molecules are used. Now the deactivation of the A star can be written as minus K minus 1 into concentration of A star into concentration of A. Similarly, decomposition of A star can be written as minus K2 into concentration of A star. So from this equation we will find out the concentration of A star by rearranging the equation, that is K1 concentration of A square divided by K minus 1 into concentration of A plus K2. Now we will substitute the equation 2 in equation 1. So we will get the rate of reaction R is equal to K2 into K1 into concentration of A square divided by K minus 1 into concentration of A plus K2. Now from quotient, at high concentration we can neglect the K2. So from that we will obtain R is equal to K2 into K1 into concentration of A divided by K minus 1. So we can say that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of A. So it is a first order reaction. At low concentration we can neglect these terms. So from this equation we will get R is equal to K1 into concentration of A square. So the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of A square. So it is a second order reaction. Now in first option this is a first order reaction. In second option this is also first order reaction. And in fourth option this step is not reversible, so we cannot apply steady state approximation. So our correct option is 3.